Monday morning, off to work I go. Yeah, it's Monday morning. And I'm on my way to work. Not yet. I have not yet boarded the taxi. Just 2 minutes away to have a bus stop so I can board the taxi. So, off I go. Yep, I'm going on site for inspection. Also, I'm taking this letter to some important authorities around here. So yeah, that's my job for now. Right. Alright, I'm on site. Oh, fruitcake. I'm on site. Just did an inspection. An inspection of this entire thing. Together with this one. So right now I'm going back to the office because I need to discuss something. Alright.
I want to have like a proper strategy
Okay.
on how I'm gonna do it because I want to really do it. Oh, here's my favorite fruit.
Yeah.
Hey, come on.
How much you know about tomato food?
Wait, no, look.
Yep, Friday morning. I'm running errands. I'm running errands for telecommunication. Heading towards the main, what do you call it? The south? Yeah, it's south. It's south. I'm heading towards south. I'm from the telecommunication Equanet office to talk about conduits and sleeving data. So I'm heading to site to meet up with one of the people to decide on this. So guys, as you can see, I'm in the office. I'm in the office. I say I'm wrong. Do you want to eat and say again and get home?
Well, what's it?
Alright. Right. Oh. Yep, what's up? Friday evening. Off I go. Going home. Yes. Off I go. Yep, I went to the site. It was pretty damn. A lot of better. Good morning. Saturday morning of jogging. Yeah, it's been a while since I exercised. So, off I go. Jogging. It's been a while since I exercised. So, it's that time of the day again. Off I go. Yep, let's do it. Let's do it. That's yeah. Hi. So, exercising is good for your health, man. It's freaking good for your health. Very good. It's been a while since I exercised, so that's why I'm breathing heavily. It's been a while, been busy, but hey, I'm back. I'll make sure to exercise every day because I don't really have that much time. So yeah. Alrighty, back to exercising. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, what?
Play car. Play design country. Hey. Ke hlale nna mona.
Ke tlo hlahisa. Hlahisa.
Yuma yo mona ko. Nna ne ke tsela. Yo ha ne ke bufulla ka. Ya no pele ya this. Okay. Oh, bana tulia. Right. Hey, oh, I think so. God damn, nigga.
Go kenyeleditse.
Tshepe hore ke ka ga mosebetsi. They don't understand.
Ha ba etse.
They don't understand.
Go bega ga video.
Nna ga no tshwara ntelo.
O ka ga video.
Ja. Another 200, yeah?
Yeah.
200 left.
That's about everyday life.
Hey,
Yeah.
alright.
So I vlog everything.
Hey,
It's about everyday life.
so right now, what's you doing now?
Just today. Loads of feeling as I can tell.
Alright. You say it's what? So right now you're recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
I record from Monday to Saturday or Sunday, and then compile them and make one video, and then give it out.
I'll go up.
We're going up. That's it. And give everybody a video called Mexie Sennight, which is literally my weekend. 7 nights, Mexie Sennight.
It's called what?
Sennight.
7 nights.
Yeah. It's a they derived it from click. Yeah.
Okay.
So they decided to call it Sennight. When at work. From the work, outside, everything that I know. Views, subscribers. Views, I had 30K.
Hey.
And then I removed other views. So I think right now it's around 10K or something.
Shit.
Hey, wow.
What did you say?
Ah. Yeah, Ale.